welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Just a little quick tip today for you G35 and B35 owners. These little plastic weather strips in the channel on the side here. We're going to be removing them because I am doing a respray on the car. And even if you just want to clean in there, because it gets pretty dirty, they're quite easy to actually get out. What we need is a trim tool. We want to go from the middle. Want to get under it. If you are worried about the paint, obviously put something in there to protect it. Just pull it up, make sure you get under it again. Pull it up. What we want to do is actually pull it, keep pulling, because we want to pull out from the front and out from the back. So it actually goes in to these sections here. So it does need to slide into it. And you can clean it. I'm going to be sanding it down in there so we can get a really good paint job on the roof. Hopefully that helped you guys out. Even if you're giving your car a good detail, you can take them off, clean these up, clean in the channel there. Might even be blocked up from all the crud that's gotten in there from trees and whatnot. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll catch you next episode. Bye.